Hi guys, welcome back to Just Reviews. So today I have with me a very requested video which is a huge purple haul. This is the skincare edition. I will do a makeup edition because मैंने बहुत सारा makeup भी खरीदा है उनसे. Stay Quirky, NYB and Purple itself इतना affordable range है उनका. So थोड़े थोड़े mini reviews भी हैं because I've used a little bit of products. I couldn't wait to shoot the haul. So first of all, things came in this huge purple ka dibba, as you can see, and the best part was कि everything came in one package. This is a bummer when I shop with Nykaa. Their delivery is fast. Even Purple's delivery was fast. But उनका सामान parts में आता है, दो सामान एक साथ, दो सामान एक साथ, दो सामान एक साथ. So that's what I don't like because उसमें पैकेजिंग का बहुत वेस्टेज होता है, बबल रैप एंड ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ which is harmful for the environment. And then एक सामान तो वो 2 दिन में भेज देते हैं, so the customer is happy, but the other thing they send after like a week or so. So that's a bummer for me. But Purple sent everything together, which was a great like experience on my end. So I'm gonna go brand wise. I have 3 brands in the skincare haul today. First is DermDoc. They have some really promising products because they also mention the chemicals or the exfoliant percentage and everything. I don't think so they mention the percentage, but they mention the ingredients and everything well. So and it is affordable. आजकल इतना ज़्यादा chemicals का चलन हो गया है, but they are not affordable. So I really wanted to give it a try to DermDoc. The second brand is Abs Goodness Swiss Love. This one is also a very affordable brand. It looks very promising because all they have is natural ingredients. And the third and the most जिसको कहते हैं ना, the brand which has the most variety and the brand which I also personally have used in the past and I really like is Good Vibes. So I'm gonna start off with DermDoc. I have 2 products from them. First one is this anti-acne face wash with salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is really good for pimple prone skin. This is how the bottle looks. It is a huge bottle and it comes with a pump, so it's very easy to use, which I really like. And मैं इसको 1.5-2 हफ्तों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I don't have any new breakouts and my skin feels pretty squeaky clean without dripping the moisture off. So I really like. If you want to know कि कौन सी चीज़ कितने की है, just give me a moment. I'm going to pull up my bill. If I don't have it in here, my husband must have thrown it. He has thrown it. So मैं आपको इनका retail price बताती हूँ because I got everything for sale. This one retails for $225. Even if it's not on sale, it's a great product and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. Wow के apple cider vinegar के बाद अगर मुझे कोई face wash अच्छा लगा है, so this is this anti-acne DermDoc one. Next up I have their sun protection kit, facial kit. So I was really intrigued with the titanium dioxide because I read about it on the internet and it said it's going to clear my pores and everything, and it said sun protection. So I really wanted to try it out. I'm going to put on a full review on all the facial kits. आज मैं बहुत stammer कर रही हूँ, I'm sorry. मैं एक पूरा review इन facial kits का आपके लिए ज़रूर बनाऊँगी on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. This one retails for 150 rupees, but I think I got it for 90. So that's a great deal. So next let's go to Abs Goodness. इनसे मैंने 3 products मंगवाए हैं. First is this cinnamon oil. This is an essential oil. This one was for I think 80 or 90 rupees. I don't know how much it retails for. This is very strong, guys. It is very strong. I used to use this cream from clove cream from Fab India, which is not continued anymore after the lockdown. I don't know why. I loved it. It was my holy grail cream, and even my husband loved it. It was a gel creme based formula which worked really well for my acne prone skin. But I did not get it anywhere. And VLCC की लवंग वाली जो cream आती है, that was also fine, but that didn't do very good to me. So I really wanted to do something DIY. Once I applied this cinnamon oil, don't apply it directly onto skin. I was a fool of doing it. It stings like hell. But I am sure I'm going to create a DIY cream and put it up on the channel if you guys want to see it, because cinnamon oil is really good for skin, really good for removing dandruff also. So I'm going to make a multi-purpose cream gel kind of thing. If you want to see it, let me know in the comment section. The second product that I have is their Tea Tree facial kit. So yeah, tea tree is also anti-acne. This one retails for 145, but I got it for I think 90 something ish rupees. I'm going to put a full review, don't worry about it, because जो आपके facial kits होती है इनका one time review होता है, and one time glow and one time use के बाद इनके जो promises होते हैं इनको देखने के लिए we'll make a video. So next up I have this Abs Goodness Upton powder. I really like पतंजलि का उपटन, बट वो फेस पे लगाने में थोड़ा स्टिंग करता है. So I thought I should give it a try to this one. This one is just for 85 rupees. I think I got it 2+1 and this was free. So next up, let's go to my favorite brand and the products I love the most, that is Good Vibes. So first let's talk about our star product, Good Vibes Pomegranate Toner. I was skeptical about it. I was going for cucumber or rose toner because those are the ones I really love and I really use. This pomegranate toner says it's a glow toner, and guys, it is a glow toner, okay? It works really well on my skin. If you want, I'm going to share my new skincare regime, a detailed version, so let me know if you want to see that. मतलब आप comment section में बता दो आपको क्या क्या देखना है, so that I can work and create videos for you guys. So the glow toner, it retails for 175 rupees, but Purple always has discounts going on, so don't worry. This is a must have. After Karma Ayurveda Rose Toner, this is the only toner which I can say is a glow toner and works amazing on my skin. Even my husband really likes it, but he is more intended towards the rose ones. But this is a bomb, guys. Glow toner. It gives you glow. Next up, I have this Tea Tree Mulberry Oil Control Serum. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. So yeah, ये सीरम मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर 275 रुपीज़. गोना शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. मैंने इसका ड्रॉपर तो लगा लिया था. इट कम्स विद एन एडिशनल ड्रॉपर एंड दिस टाइनी बॉटल. I'm yet to use it because it's an oil based serum, so I'm going to use it in the night time only because दिन में मैं वैसे ही काफ़ी oily घूमती हूँ. So I'm going to use it and I'll rather share an Insta review on this one if I like it. Next I got this pomegranate face brightening scrub as a gift. This was fine. This is a very gentle scrub, so if you don't want to use physical exfoliants that much but you still want to remove your dead skin. My bindi is falling off, I'm sorry, my bindi fell off, guys, don't mind that. If you still want to remove those dead skin cells out of your skin, I think this pomegranate scrub is a gift from my side. I'm going to buy a full size. Next I purchased two powders. They have a great range of powders from which you can create your DIY masks. So first is Dead Sea Mud Powder. Packaging is pretty simple throughout the range of these products, so I really like this. Next is Red Clay Powder. Once I used a red clay mask and it did wonders to my skin, so अभी तक मैंने इनको use नहीं किया. I'm definitely going to use it and I'll share an Insta reel or Instagram IGTV video on how I like these. But if you want a full complete review, let me know. मैं एक Good Vibes का पूरा section ही बता दूँगी and I'll put it on YouTube also. Next up is coming up a product I just fell in love with it. This is their Brazilian Volcanic Purple Clay Mask. Look at this, you guys. The packaging looks so good with this gold and this purple mask. ये ना face पे लगा के थोड़ा गर्म लगता है, but it cleans your skin like a pro. I love this one. And बहुत कम मास्क मुझको पसंद आते हैं फेस पे, but this one was really good. It gave me instant brightening. And let me also mention Good Vibes के सारे products paraben sulfate free हैं and they are not tested on animals, so it is cruelty free also, which is like yay. Next up I have this orange gel. First of all, this smells like heaven. If you love citrusy fragrance and if you want a gel with glow, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को पहले से फॉलो करते हो आपको पता होगा मैं एलोवेरा जेल से आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाई जिंदगी में. So if after that I've liked anything, this is this orange gel. This is supremely amazing. Such a huge tub in just 215 rupees. I don't know if you will be able to see the inside, but पूरे ऐसा लगता है ऑरेंज जूस पी रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा है. दिस डेफिनेटली गिव्स अ ग्लो ऑन माई स्किन. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस टी ट्री जेल. इसको मैंने ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है बट माई हस्बैंड इज़ यूजिंग इट एंड आई थिंक ही क्वाइट लाइक्स इट. यू लाइक इट राइट? ही रियली लाइक्स दिस वन. दिस इज़ एंटी एक्ने. मैं इसको यूज़ करूँगी, अभी मेरे इतने एक्ने नहीं आ रहे, सो आई डिडंट यूज़ इट बट आई लव द ऑरेंज जेल. So this was my mini haul skincare edition. It's not mini, I think it was a pretty huge haul in the skincare edition. So I'm gonna come up with a part 2 of makeup as I told. Don't forget to hit like, share this video, comment down below what do you want to see next, and please jaldi se subscribe kar do guys. I love you all. Bye bye.